A sand shield green belt has been built along the Hotan-Rojiang Railway that runs through the southern rim of the Tyklimakan Desert in northwest China's Xinjiang Uyghur Autonomous Region. According to the Xinjiang Hotan-Rojiang Railway Company Limited, the belt is formed by about 50 million square meters of grass grids and 13 million shrub and tree seedlings, stretching 300 kilometers along the railway.
建设期间如何让沙子不上道？运营以后如何让运营不停车？这就是我们今年面临的最大这个工程里边最有难度、工程量最大的一个事情，就是我们要把工程防沙治沙的事情做好。就是在别的地方你修铁路，它不存在这个问题，不存在防沙的问题。在河洛铁路修铁路，必须要把防沙的工作要做好。
我们河洛铁路秉承的铁路建设治沙先行的建设理念，采用了工程防沙、实物防沙以及以桥带路的3种方式进行封沙防护。到现在，我们铁路的这个防风沙工程呢已经建设完成，成功的解决了我们这个风沙上道的这个问题。
The Hotan-Rojiang Railway is a key national railway project extending over 825 kilometers. It's expected to start operation next month after the final section of the Tyklimakan Desert Railway loop line is completed. The railway is expected to promote the economic and social development of southern Xinjiang.